Hello and welcome to our next lecture from this email marketing passive income course. In the previous lecture we have discussed about how you can create a new account on an app email marketing service or autoresponder which is called MailerLite. Here you have up to 1000 email subscribers and unlimited emails monthly absolutely for free. If you cross the 1000 subscribers limit, you have to upgrade, but the price is very cheap anyway. You should start to see results till you hit the 1000 subscribers limit, so this is perfect to start out. It's a very easy to use platform. You have seen how the dashboard looks like after you create your account, and what we have to do right now in order to start to create your first group of subscribers or your first list is to go in the horizontal menu. In the subscribers option, you have to click on the subscribers option, and you will see here that you have subscribers groups, okay? Because this is an account that we have already used. You can see we have subscribers here. You can see stats for your subscribers list. Okay, you have different stats, number of subscribers, how many subscribers opened your emails, how many clicked on different links in there. And then you can see you have some options here, okay, like add new subscriber, edit the list, like rename the group or split the group, or simply delete the email group. Okay, you can integrate MailerLite with different services for capturing leads. You can customize a specific unsubscribe page for people who unsubscribe, or you can get subscriber notifications whenever somebody joins your list or unsubscribes from your list. But for now, let's see how we can add a new group of subscribers so we can start building our list. First of all, you will see an orange big button in the top right upper corner. You just have to click on that. It says add new group. You will have, first of all, you will see a pop-up. You will have to put in the group name, testing 1. Then you press create, and you will see that you have a new group right now, testing 1, right? So now you have a new group. You can start adding subscribers right from now if you want to. Okay, it's very simple to do that. If you'll click on that group, bear with me for a couple of seconds, you will be able to see some statistics about that group. In the beginning, obviously you don't have any statistics, but you'll see that you'll have some options like subscribers list, group stats, segments, custom fields. Okay, you'll have some options. Add the first subscribers to your new group. You can import your subscribers from a file or add manually. So if you have already a list from a different place, you can import it in here if you want to. Now let me show you how you can start to create forms and landing pages in order to start to drive subscribers to your list. Okay, you go to the forms section here, and you will see you'll have different options for creating different types of forms, landing pages, opt-in forms that you can add on your blog or website, pop-ups. Okay, pop-ups again are elements that you can add on your website. And what we are interested in mostly are landing pages, because let's say you don't have a website at the moment. Landing pages are basically pages where people opt into your email list, and these pages are self-hosted by MailerLite, so you don't need your own website to do it. Okay, these forms, you can see them how they look here. Okay, in these thumbnails, it's not something very complicated to create them. And pop-ups, you have probably seen those websites where you go on the website and after like 3 seconds or so, a pop-up appears and asks for your email in return of a free PDF, a discount, or stuff like that. Okay, but we are more interested, as I've told you, in landing pages. So we go to landing pages. We can see here all the landing pages that we have. And what's very interesting about these landing pages and the opt-in forms and pop-ups is the fact that you can see how many subscribers you have. Okay, you can see how many visitors have seen that landing page, and you can also see the conversion rate. It's very important for you to try to increase your conversion rate on your landing pages, right? A very good landing page, or a good landing page, has over 20% conversion. A very good landing page has over 25-30% conversion rates. Okay, now let me show you how you can create a new landing page. you have this big orange button which says create landing page. You just have to click on it. We will give it a name, testing 2. We press save and continue, and bear with me for a couple of seconds. It won't take long. Okay, and we will select a subscriber group. So basically people who will opt in through this landing page will go to a specific subscriber group. You can select all the groups if you want to, but we will select the testing one. Okay, then we press save and continue, and bear with me for a few seconds till the app loads and shows us our next page. This shouldn't take very long, a couple of seconds. Also, it depends on, obviously, on your internet connection or wherever you are. Then we have the new page where we have to choose a template for our new landing page. And now you will see that it will load the templates for us. You have templates for different things like ebook, e-course, invitation, pre-launch, lead generation, webinar, coming soon page. We have different types of templates. So the cool part about MailerLite is the fact that you have 8 templates that for landing pages that you can choose from. For embedded forms, the same thing, you have landing pages from you can choose from. And for example, if you want to sell weight loss, a weight loss product, this CrossFit template might be the right one for you. And for the sake of the example, we'll just use this one. The ebook one is as good because maybe you want to give out to your subscribers an ebook for free in order for them to join your list. So let's select the ebook one, because I think it's like the easiest one for you to start with. Obviously, you can adapt any of them for your needs, but it's easier to use one that it's the closest to what you want to have in terms of a landing page. Now we will wait a couple of seconds for the page to load. It shouldn't take very long, so bear with me here. Okay guys, so now we have the landing page editor opened. You can see here the template of the landing page. It's actually very easy to edit these landing pages using the editor of MailerLite. Obviously all landing pages, as you can see, have landing page and success page, okay, or thank you page. So basically this is how the landing page looks like. You can edit the header, okay, the image, you can edit the special offers and whatever you have in here. You can delete them if you want to, okay, because this will be a simple landing page. You can change the logo, okay, if you click on it you can see you have header, you can delete it, you can change the logo from here. Then if we scroll down here, you will basically put your call to action for the ebook or free report that you are giving away. You just need to add the image, okay, change the image with your own ebook, change the title of the logo here and the other stuff, okay, change the description and anything else. Then you have the fields here, you can also customize the fields. The button, maybe you want a button which is a little bit different. If you go to settings, you will be able to see all of these things. Let your subscribers choose their interest group, sign up settings, confirmation checkbox. You should be very careful at what you are checking here. For example, if you are going to market also in the EU, it might be a good idea to check the marketing permissions field, okay, for GDPR compliant. It might lower your conversion rate, that means the number of people that will actually accept this, but it will help you to be GDPR compliant, okay. So you can, as you can see, you have options, settings, absolutely everything here. You can add new fields, maybe you want to get your subscribers phone number as well. So you have a lot of tools for customization, right? Then if we go down, we can see what readers are saying about this book. Okay, what readers are saying about this book. This is just a headline. We can delete it. We can delete the things that we don't need. Here we can add testimonials, maybe if you have some testimonials, then some stuff about you, okay. And the cool part is you can see here that you have different blocks, okay. These are elements that you can add to you can add to your landing page. If you ask me, for example, a countdown timer is very useful. In some cases you can put a countdown timer here and you can say like the free offer expires in, or something like that. Then you set up a time, 23, save, and you're pretty much done, okay. So you set up a timer, you can choose the design of the timer, you can set up a video, you can put a date, you can put an image gallery, testimonial. So you have a lot of cool options, okay. On the success page, if you are giving them away a free report, you should put in the link where they can access their free report. Now when you are done with editing, you just press the done editing button, and bear with me for a couple of seconds till MailerLite finishes to prepare the page. And we will see the landing page settings right now in a couple of seconds. Okay, as I've told you, the page will be hosted by MailerLite on this account, subscribepage.com/testing1. This will be the link and the name of the page. We can put in SEO settings if we want to. Facebook share title, Facebook share description. So for people who will share the link, we can fill in all of these details. After we are done with all of this, I will not sit now, okay, to just type in stuff. For the example, you understand the idea. We press save and continue. So we get our landing page ready. And again, we have to wait for a couple of seconds. And now the landing page is ready. We can check double opt-in. For those of you who don't know what double opt-in is, basically what it means that a person, before being actually subscribed to your list, has to click on a link that they get from an email from you, okay, from this confirmation email. You will lose a lot of subscribers like this, so I would recommend it to go to off. So I would recommend you to put it on off. Now let's put it on off. Okay, you will see that the other options here don't appear. If you activate it, you will have the confirmation email and confirmation thank you page, but we will put it on off so we don't lose a lot of subscribers. Then we have the landing page URL. We will copy that. The design, we can edit it. The page settings, we can edit them as well. Subscribe to groups, we can edit that as well. But mainly the page is now ready. Now let me show you how it looks like, because we can actually see how it looks like. You will see that it's a very simple page. Okay, the offer expires in. This is our landing page. You can see the countdown that we have added. This is how it looks like. The GDPR terms and everything, get the ebook, all those details. Okay, so looks pretty nice. It's self-hosted on subscribe page. You don't have to buy a domain name and anything like that. So this is a very simple example of how to create a landing page. Now what you have to do, the next step, is send traffic to this landing page. People interested in your ebook, they will sign up with their emails and their names. And I will give you an example. Okay, Sorin. I will mark the permissions, get the ebook, and let's see if you guys can see me in the subscribers group now. We will go to the subscribers group and see if I appear there. I should appear. That means it's always very good to test out the page before actually starting to promote it. Okay, testing, 1 subscriber, I'm there in the list. I will get your promotional emails now. So this is how you create a new group of subscribers. This is how you start building your list, and this is how you create a landing page. We hope that this was helpful for you, and we are looking forward to see you in our next lecture, where we are going to discuss how to set up the automatic email follow-ups. Thank you again, and we are looking forward to see you in the next